Hello, I'm Alex and I'm one of Vultr creators. In today's tutorial, I will show you how can you install Git on your Vultr server running Ubuntu. You will see how to install Git and how to configure it. Let's go to our Vultr dashboard and I will show you how to install Git.
To install Git on our Vultr VPS running Ubuntu, first we will need to SSH to our server. To do this, we'll need to go to server details, copy our IP address, go to command prompt and type SSH root at and our IP address. Enter. Will be requested to give a password. Yes, we have it. Enter, and our password is here. Okay, and enter. Okay, so we have login to our server. Before installing Git in Ubuntu, first we will need to update system package repository. This can be done using sudo apt update. Okay, update, hit enter. Okay, so the packages are updating, and now we will need to upgrade the apt cache as well. This can be done via sudo apt upgrade, hit enter. Okay, the packages are upgraded. After updating and upgrading the system's package repository, we can install Git using the following simple command: sudo apt install git, hit enter. Our Git is installing right now on our Ubuntu server. Our Git has been successfully installed. Once the Git is installed, let's check the version of our Git. We can do this by git version, press enter, and you can see that we have installed Git version 2.17.1. Now, after installing Git, we first need to configure it. To configure Git, we should start with the first configuration command for username, which will look like git config global user.name. Over here, we will type our username, will be root, enter. After setting the username, we will need to set the email as well. This can be done by git config global user dot email, and we'll need to type our email over here. And hit enter. Once we are done setting up our username and email, we can check this configuration by entering this simple command, which is git config and list. This way we'll be able to see all list of our configurations. You can see that our username is root and our email is office@albustudio.com. All the configurations we have entered was successfully saved. To configure more, you can directly edit the Git configuration file by typing sudo nano git config and enter. Now we are in our git config file, which you can easily enter via nano editor. Now we are going to exit. If you want to see more commands available for git configuration, you can go to git config and you'll be able to see all the available commands for git configuration. This is how you install Git and start the basic configuration on Ubuntu.
We have successfully installed Git on our Vultr server running Ubuntu. Now you have learned how to install Git on your Vultr server running Ubuntu. This was Alex, and I hope to see you next week on Vultr.